Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to copper bar in LEGO Fortnite. First, understand that copper bars are a crucial resource for upgrading your tools and crafting more powerful items. You'll need to gather the necessary raw materials before you can even think about smelting. This process involves a few key steps, starting with locating the right biomass and then setting up your crafting stations. It's a straightforward path once you know the exact requirements. To begin, you must venture into the dry valley biome, specifically seeking out its volcanic caves. These caves are the only place where you'll find copper ore deposits. Remember, you'll need at least an uncommon pickaxe to successfully mine these resources. While you're there, keep an eye out for bright core, another vital material found within the same fiery caverns. Gathering enough of both is your first major objective. Once you have your copper ore and bright core, it's time to build a metal smelter. This advanced crafting station requires 15 bright core, 20 obsidian, and 35 notrute. After construction, interact with the smelter. You'll need to input 1 piece of copper ore and 2 pieces of bright core for each copper bar you wish to create. The smelter will then process these materials efficiently, yielding your valuable copper bars. With your newly crafted copper bars, a world of possibilities opens up in LEGO Fortnite. You can now forge stronger tools, upgrade your weapons, and construct more resilient structures for your village. These bars are a cornerstone for progressing further into the game's more complex crafting recipes. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They are perfect for keeping your real-world adventures fueled.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.